A buffer of given pH can be prepared by following the steps. The first step is selection of conjugate acid-base pair. For example, let us say I need a buffer that has pH less than 7. That is a acidic buffer. So in this case, we will need weak acid and salt of weak acid. But if pH is greater than 7, we have a case of basic buffer. In this case, we will need weak base and salt of weak base. For example, let us say we need a buffer of pH 3.9, that is less than 7. So this is a case of acidic buffer. So we will have two components, weak acid and salt of weak acid. We also know buffer acts most effectively when pH is approximately equals to pKa. This means I have to look an acid that has pKa value very close to pH. In this case, pH is 3.9. So we are looking for an acid that has pKa value close to 3.9. And if you see the table, you will find formic acid has pKa value 3.74. So for this pH, that is 3.9, we will use weak acid as formic acid and salt of weak acid that is formate ion. So this is first step. In the second step, calculate the ratio of buffer component concentration. So for this we will use Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. So this equation is called Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. pH is known, pK is also known. We have to calculate ratio of concentration of salt and concentration of acid. Ten raised to the power 0.16, and this value comes out to be 1.4. So we have ratio of concentration of salt by concentration of acid is 1.4, or we can say concentration of salt is equals to 1.4 times concentration of acid. So we can say for each mole of acid, 1.4 mole of salt is needed. Salt is formate ion and acid is formic acid. The next step is determine the buffer concentration. Higher the buffer concentration, higher the buffer capacity. Generally, buffer concentration is very close to 0.5 m. But it depends upon what kind of a stock solution is present in lab. For example, let us say we have a formic acid concentration present in lab is 0.4 m, and we have to prepare 1 liter of buffer. And pH of buffer is 3.9. So we can calculate moles of formic acid, that is molarity into volume, that is 0.4 moles. Now moles of formation is 1.4 times moles of formic acid. So we can say moles of formation is 1.4 times 4. So this is 0.56 moles. Let us say corresponding salt for formation is sodium formate. So we can say moles of sodium formate is also 0.56. Now we can calculate mass of sodium formate, that is moles into molecular weight. Molecular weight for sodium formate is 68 gram per mole. So this is molecular weight. So we can multiply by 68 and this value is 38 gram. Now finally we have to mix salt and weak acid to finally make 1 liter solution. So we can prepare this buffer of pH 3.9 by taking weak acid, formic acid of concentration 0.4 m and adding sodium formate, that is salt of weak acid, and the weight of sodium formate is 38 gram. And then we have to mix this solution so that final volume of this solution is 1 liter. That is, we have to take sufficient amount of formic acid so that final volume of solution becomes 1 liter. So these are the steps for preparation of a buffer of given pH. In the first step, we have to select conjugate acid and base pair. In the next step, we have to calculate ratio of buffer component. In the next step, we have to determine the buffer concentration. And finally, we have to mix the salt and weak acid to get the desired buffer.